Are you considering getting a new HOMAG machine? Then I have one more reason for you to do it. Right now, you get our App Plus package for 1 year without any costs. My name is Fabian Hornstein and I'm a product manager at HOMAG. In the next few minutes, I want to show you how you can digitally accelerate your production routine by using our App Plus package. But what is the App Plus package and what can you do with it? Within this package, you receive our 5 most popular apps to increase the output of your shop floor. The apps work independently from your existing IT systems and can be set up easily within 1 hour. Therefore, you're not taking any risk, you just need to try it. But which apps are included in the App Plus package? Let's start with the machine board. If you want to check the status of your machine, you can either run from machine to machine or you can use the more convenient route by using our app. Within this app, I can see the live status of my machines, which is perfect for machine operators that are not always in front of the machine. I can also see that this machine is right now down due to an error message. Let's take a closer look. Here our second app springs into action. The Service Assist app not only shows the error message, but suggests solutions with the required time and the success rate, and therefore I can easily choose one of the options, follow the instructions step by step and solve the problem immediately. But there are also problems that you can't solve on your own. To get help, you can either call the hotline or you can use the third app from our App Plus package. The service board is fairly simple. Within just a few seconds, you can create a new service case, select your machine, write a short text to it, add some pictures if necessary, and just click the send button. Afterwards, the service technician can reach out to you and they have the chance to... Oh, sorry, just 1 second. My video diagnosis is just starting. Yeah, hello. I got a question regarding my machine. If you could just please help me. If you take a look here. After fixing our malfunction, let's take a look at the tools. Are you familiar with the situation that you're not 100% sure where your tool is? With Twinio, you can easily solve that. You can see whether the tool is in the machine, in your tool stock, or even at the sharpening service. I can also see the status of my tools, which is monitored by selected HOMAG machines. This saves me valuable time. With the fifth app of the App Plus package, let's take a look at the bigger picture. With the MMR mobile app, I can see all important data from my HOMAG machinery, like the output. This allows me to analyze my shop floor and therefore optimize my production. As you can see, our 5 apps provide a lot of different value to your production. You may ask yourself now, how can I get the App Plus package? And that's as easy as the apps themselves. You just need to sign the consent for TAPI registration and we'll take care of the rest. You just need to set your password, log in, and you can start right away. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to contact us. My name is Fabian Hornstein and I'd love to provide further value to your business in the future.